There's a reason why they're still going strong. Join me on Community Connections as we check out DML Dumpsters in Cuba, Missouri. Tell us a little bit about DML Dumpsters.
Well, we deliver and haul dumpsters for people that need to clean out their house or new construction or old tear downs. You know, with tear down houses, we don't tear them down, but we do deliver the dumpsters for that.
Okay.
I've been doing it for 33 years, so I think I'm qualified by now.
You've got a little experience under your belt, huh?
A little bit, yeah.
So what kind of services do you offer to the community?
Just roll off dumpsters, that's all we do. I mean, we do it from Fort Wood all the way to St. Clair, so I cover a lot of ground.
So you cover a large service area then. Okay. What do you enjoy most about being part of the Cuba community?
Serving the people.
Serving the people.
Yeah.
They make it worthwhile, huh?
Yeah, I like doing service work. So I like serving people as long as they're, you know, good people.
Then you'll serve them, huh?
Yep.
Okay. You've been partners with FCNB for many years now. Tell us about your experience with them.
So far, it's been a good experience. I haven't had any problems. I've been, I don't know how many years it's been now. It's been a long time. I would say somewhere around 20, 25.
25?
Somewhere around in there, yeah.
Well, so if people wanted to get in contact with you, how do they go about doing that?
By calling 573-259-7029.
Do you have a Facebook page or
I do
a
have
website?
a Facebook page. I have a website and a phone. But we do not have a landline anymore. I got rid of the landline.
Okay, so they can reach you by Facebook or by website or by phone?
Yep.
The phone number listed on those?
Yep. They email me an email. Everything. Most of that through Facebook is the best.
Okay.
Or my website.
And
Website's
what was
really big too. So.
And again, what was your Facebook page?
It is just DML Dumpsters.
Okay.
Yep.
So tell us a little bit behind the name DML.
It's my initials.
Your initials.
Yeah, my initials. Don Marvin Woodhart is my name. So Donald actually. So.
Okay.
But
Well, thank you for joining us today. We appreciate you being on Community Connections.